Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try a splash with some leftover paints. I have a lot of blue paints. I don't know how I come to have this many blue paints, but I thought let's do a splash. I saw Gina do one, or several actually, and I thought that looks really fun to try. So let's wet our canvas. I did already paint the sides just to make sure that they are covered. But we're going to be painting wet on wet. Probably need a lot more. And because these are all table scraps, I have no idea what's in it. So it could be Otral, it could be glue, it could be anything. And a lot of lumps. So we just have to work around it. But I thought it would be a nice way to practice something that I haven't done before and use up my paints instead of just throwing them out, because that's not good for the environment and it's not good for my wallet. So I'm working on a 24 by 30 centimeter canvas, so it's not huge, but for a first try I think it's big enough because I'm expecting it to take me quite a while to get done. So I've got this really dark blue. Then I've got a little bit of a medium blue. A lighter blue. Some white. But let's start with the lightest color. And set up my base. So I was thinking about like so. Going here. And there. So probably gonna speed up a lot of this. So this is more of my medium blue. Let's see. I think I might actually get the darkest blue to create the outline a little bit more. I'm getting a little bit of the medium blue. So I'm trying to keep my lines and my movement going in the direction the water would go. In this case it's going to just curve a little bit. Let's try to add just a tiny bit more of the dark. Okay, let's try and add a little bit of a shine. I'm trying to blend the white into the blue a little bit, just to soften it up. Trying to keep it a little bit simple because my paint is drying up. trying to create a little bit of a shadow for my edge here. Look at here are the perfect sound effects of my dog drinking his water. So I've got a little bit of an issue. At least I feel it for myself. I don't like how stripy it is. But if I smooth it with this one, it goes too smooth. So I might gonna try again with that one. So I think I'm going to leave it at this. I've been working almost an hour and a half and I'm not getting the effect that I wanted, but I'm happy with the result I got. So I think I could spend hours on this, but as you can see, everything's starting to dry. So this is going to be it. So here's the final result. It's all nice and dry. I'm actually really surprised at how it came out. It was my first try. It took me a long time, but I think it looks good. I would love to hear what you think about it and if you've tried it. So thank you, Gina, for showing me a new thing to do. And I might do some more. So thank you for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.